What you talking about? Is Jaden place?
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now some people say, them believe say, Vybz Kartel leaving the island to go overseas to seek medical treatment is a wise decision. Because them say, them don't know if them trust the system. Them say, some talk with some people are making is that them let out Vybz Kartel for take him life. They don't know who are they when people say them hear things like this. But this is what people are talking. And them say the best decision for Vybz Kartel to do is what him do. Leave the country and go overseas while them seek medical treatment. Some people are say the experts them and the people them they out here. But it's best for going in a country where the people of that country don't see him as a threat to their power and their control and their influence. They more see him as somebody who can help them connect and extend their influence with the people more. You see Vybz Kartel and St. Vincent, we see him with the Prime Minister himself and his wife. We go be two of them. But that for show you the level of acceptance. The head of state link up with Vybz Kartel. Seemingly showing him around. So, and then after that, you see the post Vybz Kartel make. Or post where him repost from what the Prime Minister say. Saying that yes, they have a professional team of experts within their healthcare sector. Something maybe the government that say too. When you feel the Jamaican government that boast the same thing. We've often also say yes. Because it's nothing to do with the people that are within the Jamaican healthcare system. And that's the system itself. Where the people them say it. Nurses are overworked and underpaid. We see recently when the doctor have to work overtime, and when the doctor them show him lunch, crackers and stale cheese. What the state really do? Wait all the while. Infrastructure and the lack thereof. We are going to Spanish Town Hospital when the flooding is going. The emergency wing. Actually, that part there. It flooded. Would you imagine that? So some people have said the best thing and the best decision have to go overseas. Because them say you still have people within the state who don't like Vybz Kartel. I don't know where I hear that. I don't know where I hear say you have people in other places that for whatever reason them don't like Vybz Kartel. And some people say maybe if you try to seek medical attention locally, they would have try Affa Him. Yeah, some people strongly believe that. Some people strongly believe say if Vybz Kartel did stay and try seek help or seek continue with medical treatment for him grave disease locally, then would have try Affa Him. Tell me what you think. Now what Vybz Kartel point out even in an interview is that he has been made aware, maybe by the same healthcare professionals locally. Say you have experts within that specific field overseas. So maybe it has nothing to do with the conspiracy theories. Remember, you have some people in Vybz Kartel found out them as a Vybz Kartel a clone. So of course, you have some people where I think all kind of things. But more likely, or maybe it was local healthcare professionals who recommended certain places and people overseas. And now my them tell us if you do your own little research, like how we see in a certain shows and things like that. When they, when people have to do things like this. And even where other celebrities have talked about and them have got through their own situations, I will see it on shows like Love and Hip Hop and them type of thing there. Well, we get to see a window into the worlds of celebrities. Now my them go do them research and things, and maybe that is how Vybz Kartel arrived at the decision to go to certain different places. And maybe one of those places, obviously, St. Vincent. We didn't tell after meeting with Shines, he put out a video and say he might forward a Belize. So we don't know if that for us, vacation or whatever that about. I'm also say maybe by them time the Shine gonna be the Prime Minister. And Shine is not the Prime Minister, no, but the opposition leader. So maybe him believes say Shine gonna win. And with the election not called yet. In a Belize, we don't know what going on with Belize still. But, you know, that not change it. So maybe him plan to go there after him first show and him plan to do a big concert in a Belize too. I don't know. Is that good if Shine was the prime minister at them time there? I think done meet with Vybz Kartel already. And you see me? Done probably talk about something like this already. You know, him forward over them that get the full support of the state. However, the big promoters and promoting team over there, so you probably link with them and, you know, organize so you can have artists from Belize and, you know, get the showcase for them talent too as well. But tell me what you think. Do you believe the conspirators who believe, say, yo, Vybz Kartel was motivated to go overseas to continue medical treatment because it was just not safe for him trying to do it locally with all the people in high places where seem to don't like him. From them time there, and them still seem to not like him now. But I feel it's a tune get released now. The people who never like him all of a sudden start to like him. No. We even see it with entertainers. Entertainers who never like Vybz Kartel, them can't even pretend. The one that they want big Vybz Kartel, them can't even pretend. Since Vybz Kartel forward back, we can't see it on them. Them not happy. Them not happy at all. But tell me if you agree with other people who believe, say, you know, have nothing to do with that. The reason why Vybz Kartel go overseas to seek medical treatment because the experts them over there. You know, really have nothing to do with other than the fact that the experts are there. And maybe there aren't that many experts locally. So maybe that was a simple plain reason. But you know, people are going to look for different things. They also thought that Vybz Kartel purchased a big house over there. Maybe. Only for celebrities overseas have houses in Jamaica. You know that. As you know, Khalid have a house out there. Nicki Minaj should buy a house to me. She still own it. But then some big man for the Jamaica, for Bank of Jamaica, have a house. And Nicki Minaj should buy when him sell it. And, you know, only part of celebrities. So, why shouldn't Jamaican celebrities have houses overseas too? Then if you like the country, you plan to vacation there on a regular basis. You would best have your own premises so you don't have to get a villa or thing. You don't know, celebrities don't do the hotel thing again. Them not to do the hotel thing, especially when you're a big name celebrity. Beyonce don't go hotel, certain hotel, unless as for reasons. Otherwise, them forward a yard, you not see them in a hotel. A villa, 24-hour security. So them are do for them thing. Yeah, man. They don't want nobody to take a picture of them and unflattering pictures. You know? So, you're there on your own villa, 24-hour security. You control the picture them you get take and what reach to the media. So, I guess the wealthy like to do it that way. So, Vybz Kartel probably following their footsteps, being a wealthy Jamaican superstar too. Him like St. Vincent, him no want to be in a hotel. No want to be in a body villa. And probably they have villa, him like it so much, him just buy it. Maybe I'm not. Maybe those people are trying to pocket watch. And trying to speculate on things that them see. Or, you know, what them think them see. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boss and share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. For check out the channel, check out the reason. And also join the discussion. Don't tell the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, love, and prosper. And also for you to stay tuned until the reason again.